GE Appliances would really like for you to use your silverware basket cell covers, but for those who don't, we understand that life may get in the way. Spoons that nest, forks and knives in every direction, and more items in the front than back may prevent them from getting completely clean. That's why GE Appliances developed Deep Clean Silverware Jets. This unique system uses powerful jets beneath the basket to force water onto utensils and remove tough foods. Now, dirty silverware comes out incredibly clean, no matter which way they're loaded, thanks to Deep Clean Silverware Jets, available only from GE Appliances.